Hi everybody, it's 1:02 and 13 seconds on September 26th. This is the final mini for the House of Secrets 92 and Strange Tales Swamp Thing 1. This is for the final 5 spots in the main. Whoever comes in first place in this mini will win the first 4 available spots. Whoever comes in second will get the final available spot, and I will immediately run the main. I guess I should do this first. Let's look at our 20 filled spots. Number's 12, and away we go. Good luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here comes the final one. 12, spot 15, John Garner, and then spot 4, Aaron Grant. Those are the winners. Time is 1:03 and 30.